was not prepared for this. This is a lot of frost. This is actually probably a freeze, and I was not prepared for this. I did not know it was going to be this cold last night. Again, I didn't prepare for this. Oh my gosh, I hope everything's okay in the garden. It's 30 degrees right now. Hey guys, so it's a lot later in the day. The sun has had a chance to shine down and thaw everything out or whatever. I just want to quickly come to the garden and see if there was any damage done. Well, it looks like everything is okay. Let's turn you guys around. This sun is amazing right now. Yep, so it looks like everything did well. I'm so glad because I did not I did not expect that 30 degrees last night. I expected it Friday. I know it's going to get down really cold on Friday, but I did not know that it was going to get that cold last night. And it looks like everything did just fine. So that's good. I did buy a frost blanket. So when the temperatures get down like that and stay down like that for extended periods of time. What is eating this? My goodness, are you kidding me? It is too cold out here for this. I don't get it. I probably will not get any good sized rutabagas if I keep having this kind of damage. That one there looks pretty good. There's a good one there too. It looks like everything did okay. But if we get those kinds of temperatures for like extended periods of time, then I will have to put the frost blanket on. But so far so good. So we gotta go feed the rabbits. Speaking of the rabbits, I was pretty busy yesterday putting this frame together. It's crazy because this is like bigger than my greenhouse. I had this frame from a canopy that I bought online, and I don't know if it was missing a piece or something was missing, and my husband couldn't put it together at that time. So it sat in pieces next to the garage over here, like right where those gutters are at. And there's still more pieces over there, and I still have pieces around here. Now I just kind of slapped this thing together. I know it's not put together right, because like these pieces are probably supposed to go in the middle. These pieces are probably supposed to go like in the middle of the poles or whatever, but I was trying to get these pieces together and some of them wouldn't fit into others, and I just pretty much made it work with what I had. I still have a lot of pieces left, but they're different kinds of pieces. Like these pieces have, like, one end is like a smaller to go inside of the other end and it goes all the way down like that. But these other pieces don't have that. Like, they're big on both sides, so these pieces won't fit inside of other pieces. So I was like, what am I doing here? Like, what are all these pieces for? But I got it together and it's gonna work for what I need it for. So it doesn't have to be pretty, it just has to be functional. So what I'm gonna do now, I already have a tarp that I bought because I wasn't sure if this tarp was going to cover both of the cages. So I had bought another tarp. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cover this front part that the sun gets, that gets sun. This front part here, I'm gonna put some of that clear greenhouse plastic on, just so that some sun can get to the hutches, and the back side will get the blue tarp. And I probably need another tarp because the one I bought was 8x10, and this to this is 7 feet, and then this to that is like 13 and a half, maybe 14, I guess you could say 14, just to be on the safe side. So I need like a 8x14, but I only have an 8x10. So I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna make it work, for one, and whether or not I need to exchange the tarp that I have or just get another one. So that's what I'm doing. And I need some more duct tape because I really want to reinforce the joints that I've, duct taped now. And then I also have to figure out how I'm going to anchor it, because I didn't see the feet over there. I mean, they could be buried over there, and I will look again, but I have to figure out how I'm going to anchor this. And it's probably just going to have to be a weight. I probably have to put something, like a cable around here and weight it down with like a cinder block on each corner. And hopefully that will be enough, but I'm not sure yet. I haven't decided that much. Right now I have to get these guys fed and watered, and then I'll be heading out to like Menards or whatever. Good morning. Good morning. What are you doing, Duncan? Good morning, Canopy. Duncan, you look like you're still sleeping, boy. Huh? You snoozing? That's some fresh water. All right, guys. So I went to the store and I got what I think I needed. So hopefully I can finish this project. Let me show you what I got done. So I got the clear on the front because, like I said, I want to make sure that they can get some sunshine. And I did put, just like I did the greenhouse, I put some like supports, like rope supports there. I might come across horizontally with that as well. I'm not sure yet. But let's see. So I've got most of this plastic done. I have to go across the top here and secure that a little bit more tight. And then across the back side, I'm going to put the tarp. So I've got first I had an 8x10 tarp, and after I measured, I realized that wasn't going to be big enough. So I'll probably take that one back because I went and got a 12x16 tarp. So that should be plenty to go over the whole back side, because this front side I measured 14 across, and I measured 10 from the top to the bottom. It doesn't quite reach the bottom, but that's okay. So I went and got a 4mm plastic to go there. So I'm going to do the tarp on the back side now, and then I'll probably, I'm not quite sure yet, but I'll probably leave the sides open just because that way they can get adequate airflow, even though there is a gap down here. I just want to make sure that they have plenty of air that they need. So yeah, this is more or less for me, okay, for like winter months when I have to come out here and feed and change water, and you know, when it's like snowing or raining and whatnot. I don't want to have to be out here in the elements. So this shelter is more or less just for me. It adds an added level of warmth, I guess you could call it, for them too, because it blocks out more wind. It'll block out snow. It'll block out rain. They will definitely stay dry. So that is a plus. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this tarp on the back side here, and then we'll see what it looks like. So this top part I'm gonna have to pull down like with these ropes and stake the ropes in the ground and hope that works. So here we go with the tarp. The tarp worked really well. And then I went ahead and tied both of these corners to each other across the top. to keep those edges from flapping all over. And then this edge here, it's really close to the end, and I didn't realize that before I staked the tarp into the back. I've already put 12-inch stakes in the ground, so I can't exactly scoot it down. This is like really close to the edge here, and I wasn't even thinking. So I went ahead and like kind of extended this outward, just tied it up to the tree there, because I know that tree's not going nowhere. Bush, tree, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to hang something here just on the back end, not this whole entrance, but just on the back end where this cage is at. I'm gonna put the shower curtain there. It's not going to be like a waterproof, windproof type of thing, but it will block out majority of the wind and elements there, and it will definitely help. Not that there's going to be a whole lot in this corner anyhow, because these trees and hedges are here, but just as a little bit of an added measure, I'm gonna go ahead and hang that shower curtain just on this back side here, and that's it. And that's gonna be it. Like I said, I'll probably leave this front part open just because I want adequate airflow in there. It's tucked in far enough, so for the most part, wind, air, snow, rain, all that stuff will be out. It won't get to the hutch for the most part. So that's gonna be it, guys. I'm gonna get this finished and hang that shower curtain up, and then I'll be finished with this. Penelope is out enjoying some time in the grass, and then Duncan will be next. So that's gonna do it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I guess I'll catch you on the next one.